Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make your own astrolabe. Astrolabe is an astronomical instrument that is used to measure altitude of celestial objects such as a star, to understand the duration of the day, time of the day, sunset, sunrise time. Frankly, there are 100 applications of astrolabe. We in our tutorial gonna cover a few of those applications. In this video, we're gonna only understand how to make the astrolabe. Further videos will also show you how to use it. So first thing you have to do is go to our website skullandskill.com, go to learning resources and take the printouts for the astrolabe. You will find buttons over there. We have taken these printouts for you. We're gonna go through them one by one to make you understand how to use these prints, how to assemble them to make a astrolabe. The first print you will get is back of the mater. Mater usually in an astrolabe is a hard circular disc. You have to paste that hard circular disc has backside and front side. On the back side of it, you have to paste this circle. We'll call it back of the mater. You actually do not need a mater over here in our case. You can just paste this back of the mater at the back of this printout. Listen very carefully, it's very simple. This is back of the mater and this is called climate. This is called climate. Climate is latitude specific. You first have to find out the latitude of your place, and accordingly from the list of our printouts you have to print your latitude climate. This is called climate. This is latitude specific. You have to paste these two back to back. Take the printouts of these two on a hard thick sheet and paste them back to back. It would look something like this. This is back of the mater. This is the climate, which is latitude specific. We have pasted them back to back. So we did not actually need a mater. Mater, if there would be a mater, would come in between, sliced in between those pages, but we don't need it. We took these printouts on a thick paper, so it's sturdy enough. You can see how sturdy it is. You would need that. So make sure that you take these printouts on a sturdy, thick paper and print them back to back. This is back of the mater. This is the climate, which is latitude specific. I hope this is very clear. Let's go to the third printout. This one. This is called RETI. We are using our own pronunciation just for the convenience. You might see those pronunciation being spelled or being spoken of in a different manner. This is a RETI. You have to take the printout of this RETI on a transparent sheet such as OHP. It will look something like this. It will go over the climate like this. It will fit exactly inside the climate. Then you go to the printout which says rule and elidate. Rule and elidate. The rule, take these printouts also, these two printouts, this printout also on a thick paper. This is the rule and it's gonna go over RET or RETI. It's gonna go over this. Flip it over. This is the back of the meter. If you remember, we talked about it. This is LED. This is gonna go over the back of the meter like this. All these are gonna be fastened by a pin so that they can rotate freely around this axis. I'm doing it in front of you. Look carefully. Once you have placed this pin right through the center, it can rotate freely. This is going to be useful in our further videos when we will explain you how to use it. This is back of the meter. This is the climate, which is latitude specific. This transparent sheet is the RT. This is the rule, and this is LE date. This is LE date, the one which is rotating right now, this one. We really hope that you understood how to construct it. Take the printouts from our website, skullandskill.com, from free learning resources or learning resources. You will find the buttons over there, and assemble them in this way. Please take the printouts on thick paper and make sure that this is on transparent sheet, the RT. If any questions, please free to call us on our number 9680-648-958 or drop us an email at skullandskill@gmail.com. A little brief about this. We're going to explain it in detail in the videos. We're going to show you how Astrolabe functions, how it works, how to use it. In there, we're gonna show you in detail what everything means. But to give you a little brief right now, on the back of the meter, this thing and this LE date, they are used to find two things: the altitude of sun or altitude of any star at night, or where the sun is in the zodiac on a particular date. If you see closely, these are the months given, and this is the date scale. If you move your LE date on a particular month, let's say I'm moving it on July 10th. July 10th. You can see that now, if you follow this line, you can see that sun is in Cancer right now. So you can figure out on a particular date of a particular month which zodiac sign the sun is lying in. This is one thing. Second thing, you can use this LE date on this back of the meter, rotating it, finding the altitude of the sun or altitude of any star in the night sky. We'll show it to you how it is done, but in further videos. Once you have found out the altitude or the sun's positions in one of the zodiac, we use this side to understand the daytime or the night time, what local time it is for you at your latitude where you're standing. This climate, as we said, is latitude specific. The climate is latitude specific. It shows you the local sky. This is your local sky. Over it, we have projected the celestial sphere. the sky chart, the the star chart, all these black dots that you're seeing, these black spots, are actually stars. Joining them, you can form the constellations. On this transparent sheet, which is called RETI, this circle that you are seeing, this circle, you can see all the zodiac signs over there. This circle, along with the position of the sun that you have found out from the back, is used to find the daytime or the night time. So you have to rotate this accordingly. The whole functionality we will show you, don't worry. We're just giving you a brief right now. On this climate, you see this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, like that. This top part is 12 noon. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is midnight. Then this is 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., and then again noon. You understand? This is the time circle. This is what we call rule. This is what we use to align at a particular position of sun to understand what time of the day it is or night. This is really a great instrument. In this video, we were just supposed to cover how to make it and a little brief on it, what it is. We really hope that you have understood. You would be able to take the printouts in the way we have asked you to and put it together to form your own astrolabe. Further video will show you how to use it for a few specific functions of it. Thank you so much for listening. We really hope you have understood. If any doubt or any issues you have, reach us out to 9680-648-958 or drop us an email at skullandskill@gmail.com. Thank you so much.